Hey guys, Kevin here. Welcome back to The Green Dream. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to actually make a clone of any sort of plant. Now this method can be applied to any sort of plant, tree, shrub. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to drop a like, comment, and also subscribe, letting me know what you guys think about this. So with this cloning method, I wanted to make sure I can provide you guys with the best success rate, while at the same time provide you guys with like something that's easy on the budget. So with this, I got a couple of different ideas. If you want to make sure that you can get an easy one-on-one clone, I got this from the Dollar Tree for literally $1.25. If you plan on doing multiple clones, what I got in mind is to actually use this dome, which is also for the Dollar Tree. So for this cloning method, you want to make sure you have some sort of cloning substrate. The cheapest method is to actually get some sort of like aloe vera, but for this method, I want to make sure we have the best success rate. So I got these two items right here. Now this one, you can get this at Home Depot. I'll make sure to link these products also in the bottom of the description. But for me specifically, I want to make sure that I have the best success rate, of course. So I will be using the Clonix. Now with any of these cloning concentrates, you can use it for pretty much any method, whether if it's like in a little grown-in cube like this, soil, cocoa coir, it should work for any method. Now me specifically, I will be using grown-in cubes, and for these, you want to make sure to pH them between 5.5. That is the recommended pH based off the packaging. I'm sorry you guys can't see that, but 5.5. And you want to make sure you get that pH after the cubes are already in there. If you try to pH it before that, you'll get a bad reading. To make sure you get the perfect pH of 5.5, I will also be using this Blue Labs pH meter. You can use any pH meter of your choice. Also on top of that, I will be using General Hydroponics pH up and pH down, which I just added right here. Before taking a cutting, you want to make sure to sterilize your tools. I'll just be using this alcohol that I got from Dollar Tree, another cheap product, and just these scissors. Alright, so I got a few cuttings that I have in mind. I think I'll chop this one right here. Chopping. This should be good. And I'll make sure to drop an update, so if you guys want to stick around, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. After you get your cutting, make sure to do a 90-degree angle, or sorry, 45. So just like so. Grab my cloning gel, just got it right here. Grab your grow down. It has a little indentation right there, so you just stick it right there. And to fill in that gap, what I would recommend is just push it up a little bit, take a little piece of this corner, and just shove it in there, and that should be just fine. Here's my little clone. So all you gotta do is just grab your grow down block and place it in here after you mist it, of course. It goes just like so. Make sure it's a nice little even mist. Grab your little grow down block with your clone. Place it like so. And that is literally it. You're done with your first clone. For the second idea, what I got planned is to actually use this little dome, which I also got at Dollar Tree, and this tray. It's just a plate that I got at Walmart like a while back. It was only like 40 cents. But yeah, you just grab your dome, and you can add multiple clones through here. You can probably fit like maybe 6 or to 8. Then you grab your dome after you mist it, and you just let it like so. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the process for the next couple clones now. that's pretty much going to be a wrap for this one. Please make sure to drop a comment letting me know what you guys think about this method, or even if it works out for you. And also, if you guys have any suggestions, please make sure to drop that as well. I'm sure I or anybody else would love to hear any sort of feedback or any sort of tips as well. If you guys want to see a follow-up, please make sure to drop a like and also subscribe. I will be dropping an update in about a week, letting you guys know how it went or showing results. So please make sure to stay tuned. All right, that'll take care of everything, guys. Peace.